Worked perfectly.
This is not a stick that you want to pick up, son.
You know where it is?
It should never be found. Whoever possesses it.
It's absolutely beautiful. I like how it oscillates. The temperature goes from 60 to max. But it heats up pretty quick, and when it gets hot it cuts off automatically. So it's pretty good, and it's a space saver as well as electricity saver. I wish it would have come with the remote control, but
Well, I love this product for a couple of days and used it twice, I guess. And now this button is stuck down too far, right? And it won't turn on. Nothing will operate. See, these buttons are up and those two oscillate in the hours. So, hey, I'm just out here in my little bubble, about to log off. I got one of them damn plastic bubbles so I can sit outside with my little heater. I'm sitting out here smoking a little cigar. Got me some sticks. Got my little furry carpet. Shit, I be.
doesn't feel hot. And if you sit on the toilet,